Are you being annoyed by the Microsoft XML4 Resource Library DLL error causing system instability? I'm Sophie Chen, a senior Windows support engineer, and I'll walk you through the diagnostic steps to fix your execution path. To start the walkthrough for Microsoft XML4 Resource Library, you can use my manual guide or the suggested resource for system optimization. This is the Microsoft XML4 Resource Library, the Resource R library for Microsoft XML 4.0. It contains the localized error strings and icons for the XML engine. If missing, older accounting software using MSXML4 will display blank error codes or crash during the parsing of configuration files. With that context in mind, our first logical step is a clean reinstallation. When a core file like Microsoft XML4 Resource Library DLL is missing, it's best to let Windows perform a self-repair. Access an elevated command prompt and run sfc/scan now to synchronize and restore any damaged or missing system-level files. Should the file remain missing after a reinstall, we need to ensure that the operating system is forced to re-index its shared library paths. Performing a restart can determine if the error is just a transient environment glitch. A reboot refreshes your system's path variables and can sometimes re-establish a broken link to the Microsoft XML4 Resource Library file. Bookmark this video or click the like button now so that you have a shortcut back to this guide after your PC finishes restarting. Since that didn't resolve it, let's pivot to step 3 to address the root cause directly. If you need to pause the video to get your workspace ready, take your time. Rebooting didn't restore the monitoring tools, so let's run a command to reset the performance indicators. First, open command prompt as admin. Second, you're going to type locktr/r, then hit enter. Why are we doing this? Well, these files rarely suffer from physical corruption. Instead, their registration in the performance hive becomes desynced. This command purges those stale entries and rebuilds the registry links. I want to share a quick best practice that will help you avoid security complications in the future. Protect your digital life by ignoring unofficial download links for Microsoft XML4 Resource Library DLL that could lead to identity theft or the loss of important files. Let's conclude by looking at how a system maintenance utility can help keep your performance optimized and your libraries synchronized. Review options for improving responsiveness and system safety by consulting the repair resource linked below for Microsoft XML4 Resource Library. I hope this resolved the conflict preventing Microsoft XML4 Resource Library from launching. For more deep dive technical tutorials and system configuration guides, subscribe to our channel today.